One other thing on people's minds during the shutdown is health insurance premiums. They're expected to skyrocket next year for thousands of Hawaii residents under the Affordable Care Act. Well, our Kristen Concilio joins us today, and Kristen, the state insurance commissioner says that this could be detrimental for people relying on Obamacare.
Le'ui Insurance Commissioner Scott Saiki says rates are expected to rise by more than 10% for almost 25,000 residents here in the islands. State leaders worry that thousands of people could be left without critical health insurance.
Their medical insurance premium is going to double and sometimes quadruple.
At a time when many are already scrambling to make ends meet.
It's an existential crisis that you may have a sudden increase in uninsured people in Hawaii who at the same time can't afford groceries or rent or other basic items.
With tax credits set to expire for the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, many will likely be left without any options for coverage.
These might be gig workers, younger people, people who may have a spouse who's working but they don't have a family plan available to them. And unfortunately, a lot of them probably won't qualify for other kinds of medical programs such as Medicaid or employer-based programs.
And without health insurance,
people will neglect medical care. And then guess what? When something traumatic happens, they end up in the emergency room at the hospitals. And that cost of the ER visit is something that all of us end up paying for.
For one couple, a local insurance agent says rates will increase from more than $300 to over $700.
But if the subsidies go away, that is going to jump to $2,789 a month. And this particular person, she said that her husband is recovering from a surgery and he's not working right now. And they need that health insurance to continue his care. So it was especially alarming to her.
And with the cost of living in Hawaii already high,
anything can happen at any time, and you need your health insurance. So this is going to be very impactful to people to find out that they might have to decide not to continue insurance because they just can't afford it. It will be catastrophic unless something is done.
Affordable Care Act premiums are at the center of the federal government shutdown, and if Congress doesn't act soon, many will be forced to live without coverage. Kristen Concilio, Island News.